Welcome back. We are to Brummies on a backpack. We haven't been here very long, but we're going to leave our wonderful little shepherd's hut and we're going to go on our first hike. And I think this is called Graeme Hill and we're really close to it. We're going to walk down this road and we're going to walk along this, I don't know if it's a ridge or not, but we plan to walk to that tree there and then sit under the tree and look down over on our shepherd's hut and have a little beverage. Thank you for joining us today. This is going to be quite an adventure. It is super warm. I've got my hat, I've got my hiking poles. These hiking poles made by Lecky are absolutely fantastic. I love them to bits. They really make hiking easier and I can go a lot faster, so I'm going to have these on the go today. But yeah, I don't know how this is going to turn out. We haven't really, well, we've got all the time in the world, but I don't know how far we're going to go because we've just kind of made a decision. Right, let's go and have a look over there. It is most definitely a working farm. This is. There's these bags of, I think are they straws there in those bags? Anyway, it's been getting that hot that they've been making rather strange noises. And behind us here, we've got, hear that? What are we going to do now?
Let's go hiking.
Let's go hiking, come on.
Welcome to our adventures. We are Sarah and Graeme who roam. 2 brummies and a backpack. The trails are our home.
Lord, it's pretty special, this place. Such a mad find on Airbnb. We were planning to go to the Lake District, but I couldn't be bothered with the 3-odd hour drive on a Friday afternoon. What a view. Sarah enjoying the views. Quite right too. Let's take a look, reveal them. Oh look, there's our shepherd's hut there. Campsite there. Crikey, we've come quite high up actually. Well, what looks like high up from down there. It'll take us 5-odd minutes. Sarah's loving this. You loving this, ain't you, sir? Happy days. Let's keep moving. We're almost at the tree. Now arrived at the tree. The tree that I pointed out from our shepherd's hut. Nice and cool under here.
Where can I build these? I want to know why these are here. And put some here.
Aren't they just hoof marks? Jeez, look at the view behind me. It always happens when you're bloody out walking. You always miss the view that's behind you. I tell you what, you know, farm animals pretty noisy. You wanted to move out here for some peace and quiet. You ain't getting out of all the sheep round here. You know when you get to that point where like you feel like it's just sacrilege to turn back. Well, I'm at that point right now. You alright, Bab? I'm waiting for you. Oh, so that was the top of Graeme Hill. We're now going to walk, I don't know, around this bit. Get ourselves down. I'm going to walk round. I'm not going to go up and over. Don't feel the need to do that. This is awesome up here. Gorgeous.
I'm assuming you don't want to go across the ridge.
Well, I was just going to go round.
Oh, okay.
That was my plan. You what? What down here? Can you hold the camera?
Well, it's good for you that you've got. What am I doing with the camera?
Well, you should hold yourself, can't you?
Well, he's left me with the camera because he can't hold the camera and go down. But I don't know how I'm supposed to get down with the camera.
Is that going to be a cleavage cam? Might get the views in.
Oh, Babs, don't mind me. I'm all right. Oh, this wouldn't be very nice in wet weather, would it?
Here she comes.
That is a very cool ridge walk.
Yeah, you can go around, look, see. That's good, because I didn't fancy going over the top. Chrome Hill. It's bringing new vibes to me, it really is. I'm really enjoying this, actually. It's good fun. We are coming into lower ground now, so, you know, the ticker calms down, the lower I get. Here's Sarah, look, having a little scramble down. Go on, babe. The sun is so hot though. That was awesome. Got the old heart pumping, that one. Never done a ridge walk before. I feel
quite like creep God, but imagine that, but very high up.
I feel like I've achieved something there. I don't know what, but I feel like I have. Let me show you what's in front of me. That is such an interesting hill. It's like a ridge that just runs in a straight line, like a train track.
See, that looked like you'd have to scale across the top of it, but there's actually like a beginner's sort of level where you can just.
Well, I wouldn't say that was beginner, Bav. Let's get ourselves over here. Wind my foot in.
This is what they must have meant about scrambling.
Which one's it's a little cave down here. Hey, see, there's a little cave down here. Scared?
Oh God, I nearly slipped then.
I tell you, this is, in some respects, it's not for the faint-hearted, because if you're not really, it's,
I'm a hiker.
yeah.
I'm supposed to be scared of stuff.
Sarah's the hiker at this point.
I don't like.
Right, let's get ourselves down to this cave. You got to pick your battles when it comes to walking down hills. Not really much in this cave. Let's have a quick butcher's. I mean, you know, if you were homeless, you had no money, but you liked living in hills, this could be a good cave to set up in. I think you'd be alright in there, although noisy neighbours. That was fun, wasn't it? Right, let's get ourselves down here and then wander along down here. Dragon's back over there. Campsite, I think, is over there. You can't see all this on camera anyway. I don't know why I'm waffling on. I'm just kind of talking to myself really, so I can kind of work out where I am. Oh, lovely jubbly, bit of road walking. Get sticked up like me. Jesus Christ.
Well, for someone that said they were getting freaked out going up the hill the other side, but it was just a little slope. It was like skipping across the top of the ridge, like it was like, oh, this is fun.
Oh no! Look!
Oh, I would have laughed so much if you'd have gone arse down in that. That would have been hilarious.
My Nike Pegasus and are covered in sheep shit. Sarah thinks this is Hollins Hill. Something worth mentioning, I guess, on these videos, because I don't know whether you've followed us for a while. I haven't really sort of explained too much about me and Sarah. I mean, Sarah's the hiker, really. I'm not so much. Sarah's been hiking for years and years, really got into hiking, run marathons and stuff, so she's way more outdoorsy. I'm kind of catching up slowly, really. It's only over the past, well, since I've had my allotment plot and I've started to enjoy going outside, that I've, you know, hiking around and going to the countryside and stuff's really tickling my fancy. So I've only been really hiking for not that long, maybe 2 years, I guess. We've done an Austria trip, climbed up the Schafberg. We went to Germany, climbed up Mount Vank, which I may have that video somewhere. I'll upload it to the channel if I do. That was awesome. Schafberg was awesome. But I've not really done anything around the Lake District or Snowdonia or anything like that at all. More sort of coming to places that were a little bit more low-key, I guess. Is this low-key? I don't know. You know, you've watched loads of hiking videos on Snowdonia and Lake District, don't you? Hundreds of them. And yeah, for me, it doesn't really interest me. I kind of prefer going to Europe and doing that sort of stuff. Oh my God. You know, what was going to be a short, quick video of hiking to that tree, the intention was, when I hit record, was to hike up to that tree, have a little beer and look down on the campsite and show you what the campsite looks like from up above. Look what we're doing now. We've gone completely above and beyond, as we always do. So we've probably walked on this road for about 10 minutes or so. We don't think it's too far to get back to the shepherd's hut. It's all downhill, which is nice. Some of it's been in the shade as well, which is handy. So I don't know whether I've mentioned already on the video, but it is mega hot today. They're taking more selfies for our hiking friends. So if you ever come and stop at this shepherd's hut, thoroughly recommend that for a walk. How far was it, Sarah? She doesn't know yet. Roughly about 2.7 miles, so not particularly far, but it was a nice walk. Graeme Hill, absolutely fantastic. Really enjoyed it. Probably one of the best hikes I've done so far. And I tell you what, you come back out here and it's just opened up and you got the Dragon's Back in front of you. And this is 2 brummies and a backpack. I'm Graeme.
And I'm Sarah.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Welcome to our adventures. We are Sarah and Graeme who roam. 2 brummies and a backpack. The trails are our home.
Oh, he's dropping his shit.
That's Boston.
I wonder,
that is.
I thought he was clapping his hands at me.